Yo, Red Chevy Nation in the building. KJ's Auto Service. Hey man, got a little topic I want to talk about today. About B-bodies. All right, man. I know everybody love the B-body, man. Everybody want to impala. They want to be all about the Benjamins. Riding with the impala with the pipes on the back. With the leather seats in it. With the shifter and the float, 96. So I'm gonna give y'all a little explanation about the G bodies. For one, the 96 is the one you want. It comes with the OBD2 scanner. The 95 still got the OB1. So the topic for today is about the B body. If you're gonna get a B body, make sure you get a B body that has a good upper dash, a good lower dash. Everybody wanna go get a B body and put a LS in it and drop 40 autos on it, but they dash falling apart. And then they wondering where can they get a dash done at? Man, those dashes gonna run you about 2 to 3 grand for the upper and lower dash, and it ain't nothing but some plastic. So a lot of niggas don't be want to play with that plastic because it's just a lot. It breaks, it get fragile. So if you're gonna get you a B body, make sure you got a good upper, a lower dash. Cause I'm telling you, it's important. I work on a lot of them. I see a lot of them tore up dashes, man. So make sure you get one with a good dash, man. You'll be good to go, man. That's all I want to come in, tune in on YouTube, let y'all know about these B bodies. Got one in the garage right now I'm working on, as you can see. That's what I do. KJ, KGNS service, sir.